Hey guys, it's me. First time I'm making a video in a while. Not really much has happened. It's kind of late at night. One second. There you go. That's the exact date today. But today is March 5th now. Just thought I'd make a video of the sub pump here. There's a bad leak right there. Or it might be right there. I'm not sure where. But you know, as you can see, it sprays everywhere, but I decided to leave it unplugged so that when I plug it in, you'll see what's going to happen. Here we go. Yeah. There's sick crap everywhere here. It actually splashes quite a bit, but oh well, that concludes this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.